Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Dodge Ram garage door opener. First, find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console or sun visor. Next, make sure your garage door opener remote has working batteries. Then, you'll want to clear any previous programming from your home link system. This ensures a clean slate for the new connection. You'll hold the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which takes about 20 seconds. Now, let's program your remote. Position your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Choose the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and your garage door remote's open button. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This rapid flash confirms the signal has been learned. After programming the remote, you need to sync with your garage door motor. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press this button firmly and release it. You'll then have approximately 30 seconds to return to your RAM. Once inside, press the home link button you just programmed 2 to 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. This action should activate your garage door, completing the pairing process. If you encounter any issues, first try replacing the battery in your original garage door remote. Sometimes, a weak signal can prevent successful programming. For older garage door openers, especially those manufactured before 2006 or with Security Plus 2.0 technology, you might need a home link repeater, which helps bridge the signal. These are often available from your RAM dealer or online. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your newly paired garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.